To use voice typing on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is, first of all, you'll have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go for System and Update. Next, go for the Keyboard and Input method, and then go for Manage Keyboards. Select your current keyboard, and here we have to go for the voice typing right there. Select it, and make sure that here you have this option Use Voice Typing enabled. It might be enabled by default, but it doesn't have to. So make sure that this one is enabled, you can press it, and additionally you can download the faster voice typing, and as you can see, you can download it for more accurate way to recognize your voice. And once it's downloaded, it will be available offline. But it is additional, and after you actually have this switch turned on, let's go for some text input, and right here we have this microphone icon. We simply have to press it, allow the keyboard to record audio, and now you can use the voice typing.